What?
You want to race?
You don't want to race me.
First?
What?
Let's see if you can get some bit first.
You don't want to race me.
How about a 5-second head start?
I'll give you a 5-second head start if you want.
Okay.
I'll give you, you can go anytime. I'm still getting set up. 2, 3, 4, 5. You gonna race me this time or no race?
Race.
You want a 10 second?
Head start. 10 seconds.
Okay. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I was right there. You closed the door on me. Can't believe you did that. I had you.
I beat you.
You also slammed the door on me too. Because I caught up to you.
Were you going at full speed or were you like halving it?
I was going for what I was comfortable on that terrain. There's a lot of rocks on that terrain, so...
Were you going as fast as you would if you were in your race?
If there were rocks, probably. But I caught up to you about halfway.
Yeah, but like, I didn't let you.
Yeah, if there was no rocks, I would have been going faster. I'm also not super comfortable on the jumps either. All right, let's get...
Melvin.